Welcome back everyone to the second weekend of Fur Rondy 2022, and we're gonna go and watch the running with the reindeer. So let's go and check that out. As you can see, it's definitely snowing today in Anchorage. What a beautiful day.
We're getting away money, but we didn't have any money. So I see reindeer.
Those are so cute.
Oh, do you guys know what makes the reindeer run, by the way? Do you know the whole story?
Oh, yeah.
Back in 2008, when we first tried this, we weren't quite sure if the reindeer were going to run or not. So they experimented with all kinds of different things. They tried food, then they tried water. Do you know what it was that finally made the reindeer run?
Women!
Raise your hand if you know what it was that made the reindeer run.
Women.
What was it? It was the female reindeer, absolutely. It was because reindeer think just like men do. And that's what they ran for, the single ladies.
Speaking of men, the first key is going to be the guys.
Perfect! He's ready.
Is this
I do want to remind you folks, please don't touch the reindeer, all right? If they're running by you, don't try and pet them or grab them, because they don't like that a whole heck of a lot. Also, get out of the way so we can get the reindeer through. Please, thank you. Oh, they did, okay. And a new feature this year, the slowest reindeer will be featured at Quinny's restaurant next week. Oh, Peter's gonna love that one, Bob. We're gonna get an email on Monday. I'd like to say welcome to all the folks from PETA. Thank you for doing what you do. We appreciate it. I mean that sincerely, they're great.
One of those sometimes.
Please, guys, make some room. Some of them are a little more ornery than others.
Eating them, so I don't know if
Hi, bud. How are you? All right, I'm moving.
Are they going?
We need some bigger deer up front, apparently. We need the big boys. I want y'all to make some noise for the reindeer. Come on! They are the stars! By the way, I've been told, Brad, tomorrow it's going to be clear and sunny and beautiful. It's going to be. It's going to be fantastic.
And in 3 more days, it'll snow again.
Absolutely.
Move on to third winter.
Cinco de Mayo, it's going to snow. Guys, this is life right here. This is life in a nutshell. You got like 8 beautiful women with like 400 dudes behind them. It's like an 8th grade party. Reminds me of college. All right, so here in a minute, we're going to count it down. You're going to see I'm going to stand in the middle.
I won't.
Try not to murder me as you run by. I do this every year. We're going to get some Facebook Live.
That's part of the reason why I got my arm down, because I knew you guys were behind me.
Right here. The slowest runner gets those. That's right. You guys ready? Our photographer crew, you guys ready? Fantastic. You guys ready?
Yeah!
How's this side of the street? Make some noise right over here. North side. Over here from the south side. Come on. Bill Wilkowski, I love you. How are you, buddy? Good to see you. All right, you guys ready? Let's count it down from 10. You ready, Brad? Yeah. Here we go. 10, 9, 8.
4, 3, 2, 1.
There we go! The 2022 running of the reindeer! We are
I'm trying.
Make some noise, people! Come on!
Are they coming?
We live in that false sense of hope. A little bit of a head start.
Josh is there? You can see him?
Oh, yeah!
Yeah, Josh! Go Josh! Go Josh! Woohoo! Where's the reindeer? Wait for the reindeer, Josh! He was like ahead of the...
Here they come. Look.
Oh, go get him, Josh! Go get him! Yeah!
comes a couple more.
They are cruising.
And they're not even running.
Oh yeah. Hop on Reindeer.
Coming soon to the Bar Rock Office. That's right.
I think half of these guys are the reindeer leaders.
You are slow and tasty. Thanks, buddy. Short strong this afternoon. All right, Don, you're taking her down there.
Kind of cool.
There was a story of a guy that actually had a moose that he raised, a bull moose, and he'd let it go, and run season, he'd come back, and he'd pull and work like his horses. So he'd feed it stuff to kill it.
I've heard of people riding.
Yeah. Where are you all from? Okay, let's see who came the farthest.
No, this moose actually liked to work.
Oh,
And he was like really strong.
From Maine? Come here. Come out here.
Yeah, I got it. This one doesn't want to go.
Oh, God, come here. Come here. Come here. Maine, this is what you get for raising your hand. I thought Maine, that's really far. I don't even know what that is.
And no, it's just your attitude.
I love your voice. That is so awesome. So what part of Spain are you from? Next to Barcelona. Oh, that's my favorite part. I love it. Right next to Barcelona. That would be right next to Barcelona, right there. We have a tradition here, all right, with the game running of the reindeer, that the ladies that come from the farthest away have to do one thing. They have to do a snow angel.
Let it win.
Make some noise! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go! High knees. Oh, Cookie Monster is not messing around. Use your elbows. There's our ladies from Spain. We got an astronaut. That's a good unicorn monster right there. Hello. I think she just touched my butt.
Yeah, Cookie Monster!
And here comes the reindeer.
Go, Raquel! Hey!
Choose one from Spain.
Look out, look out. Yeah, coming in hot. Here they come. What do we got here? All right, up there. Couple. This is couple. I want to thank everybody from the Rainbow Farm, all the people that are handling the reindeer. We could not do it without them. It's Colleen's birthday.
I know.
Yeah, see, she didn't know.
We gotta do something.
Maybe somebody showed up late. They might not know it's your birthday.
Maybe Liz will get on our trip next
All
year.
right, hold on. We gotta talk to these guys. Oh yeah, go ahead and talk to those guys. What do we got going on here, boys?
Well, it seems like there's more people in this heat.
Cousin brother it up. Now you can't see they're all wearing cousin brother t-shirts. Gee, cousin brother. You ready for this? Make some noise! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's like 2 blocks right there.
Oh, what a great soft joint. Oh, She is hot. I like that stride right there.
Like 2.5 hours.
Oh, well, yeah. Yeah, that was the
He
big
still
one.
ran from his snow angel.
Yeah.
As far as like the fur one.
Hello.
Oh, really? Like, they,
This one has all like the stores and stuff, but nothing for the fur.
Is there anything for the festival?
My first look at the
I told him to dress up like Elvis. He has a tooth fairy costume and an Elvis costume.
Daddy went like a
He did
Hawaiian
good.
cabana boy.
I like the unicorn look. Yeah. There you go. Josh, I think you're the only one that I saw that fell. Took a face grab this day. Hey, do a video again. Make sure I have a good video.
Seriously? I am not going back up there.
Do you see the reindeer yet? Another one bit the dust. Another one. Another one bites the dust.
Oh my gosh.
Hey. Another one bites the dust.
Look at him. Oh, buddy. Not in.
All right, go America! Woo, Captain America!
Right.
I don't know.
Reindeer. Is it gonna come up
Got a
here?
walrus over there.
So this is
Is this the tourist group?
Yeah.
This is everyone.
Oh, everyone? Josh, get up there!
All last three groups.
Okay.
Oh, they just ran all of them at once.
Oh, is that like Dumbledore or the Pope? The red. I don't want to get red with the beard. Who is that? Is the Pope?
that's Saint Nick.
Is it Saint Nick?
Oh, here they come.
Watch out! Whoa, watch out! Oh, watch out! Watch out!
That's a muddy one.
Oh, there
Oh,
one.
there's one.
I think I'm ready to level up.
To what?
I'm ready to level up. Next stop to go
The
Oh,
bulls?
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, come on, reindeer, you can go. Go, go, go. Let him through. Let him through. Oh, there's Minnie. Yay, Minnie.
Those walrus
They're actually good in this group. All right. There's got to be more reindeer. Are they done?
So everyone went at once, huh?
like the red one the best. Yeah, hola! That was a nice catch of that snowball. That's good. I saw that. At least it's not 30 below. Oh, no worries. Hello. And there they go. Look out. Well done. And here they go. Bring it on, Reindeer!
Run, they're coming!
Just give them a hook.
Yeah.
There they go.
Oh, here they come! Get out of here!
Yeah, I love this guy.
Oh, cheese barge! Hey, here they come!
I get there, then they just strap and take me back.
Ghostbusters!
Happy birthday, Colin! He turned 26 today.
Did you see the Ghostbusters?
26, that's right. That's what Brandon told me, and I believe him. If you see Colleen, give her a hug. Tell her happy birthday. Please, next year you're wearing a jacket that says it. Thank
That was the final heat of Running with the Reindeer Fur Rondy 2022. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.